In this video, we are going to show you how to publish a graph and to put it onto a Google Sheet or print it out for use. So you got a graph from the first video that you're happy with. Make sure your graph that you expand it large enough so that when you scroll down you can see all of these axes here. So you can use these little buttons here to make it larger, and you can even click on the numbers and make those numbers. You can kind of move things around here. You can even edit and make italics or bolds or anything like that. Let's say you made a mistake. You can go into this triangle and you can hit advanced edit to bring up your edit sheet. And so once you've got it into a format that you like, you are going to take the graph and you're going to put it in a Google Sheet by hitting copy chart. So once it's copied, you are then going to go to your drive and go to a new document, and you are going to paste your new graph in that new document. So you can hit edit and paste. So it copies and pastes it, and now your graph's there, and you can type around it. I like to make it my text in line, so I can now write this is graph 1, and I look, ooh, it lost my graph. Luckily I'm going to just paste it again. And so this is how you put it into a sheet. Now let's say you want to actually print it out. So in this case, if you want to print it out, you are going to save your image, and it's going to save to your desktop, and you can just print it out from your desktop by clicking on it and then using the file print option. You can print that out. Other things you can do with your graphs. Let's go to Google Sheets. On Google Sheets, you might have multiple graphs. Okay, so I have now made a nitrate and ammonium graph. So I'm going to now copy that chart and put that one in my Google Sheet. And so make sure I give it some space, and I label that this is nitrate ammonia graph. Okay, and spelling's my issue. Now let's say you want to annotate this graph on the computer. You want to explain those peaks. You have two options here. One thing you can do is you can insert a comment, and a comment button will appear in the side, and you should see it down here. And now you can write your comment. You can say the peak is whatever. The other thing you can do is you can actually just type right here, first peak is, and you can explain your peaks that way. All right. So that is how you add your graph to Google Docs. Google Docs is much like Microsoft Word. You can add, make bold, you can insert things, you can even insert images like a picture that you've taken. You can upload or take a snapshot with your camera phone, pictures that you've taken. You can also insert tables if you would like, or you can take your BioBottle data and you can copy and paste it directly in there by highlighting all of your data and hitting copy, and now pasting it into your data table, to your Google Doc, by hitting paste. So now we have our data table right here, nice and entered. If you have any questions, please tweet at me or email me with questions. Take care.